Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Ranjini. I'm actually super excited because it is actually a month of June. Month of June means something special. So excited to open Boxyluxe with you guys. Yes, if you don't know about the Boxycharm, it's a monthly subscription box which has 4 to 5 full-size products, and it also has something special, like they have a Boxyluxe, which is an upgraded box. Boxyluxe is actually a quarterly upgrade. For the regular box, we pay like $21 every month. For the upgrade, that is in the month of March, June, September and December. Yeah, for the 4 months, we pay like $21 plus additional $28.99. So it has like around 9 to 10 full-size products, and I absolutely enjoyed all the products that comes in the box, and I'm so excited to open this box with you guys today. If you guys want to sign up or you want to know what is Boxycharm, you can check out the link that I left down below the description box. So I'll show you how does the box looks. This is how the box looks, but the regular box is a little bit smaller because it has just 4 to 5 products in it. And in this box it has like, I guess, around 9 products. I did see quite a few spoilers, but yet I'm so excited to know what else inside the box. So let me begin. It has so this is what I see. There is always a little pamphlet that shows what are the products in the box, and they also mention the value of the products. So here it goes. Oh, this is such a cute PYT pouch, and it got something in there. Let me show you. Wow, 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 wow. Guys, it is PYT travel hair dryer. Let me look at it is, yeah, this mini turbo on the go dryer is powerful, portable, lightweight and easy to use. Wow, this is a travel hair dryer and I love this color. It's so girly. It also has the nozzle and the diffuser. There are 2 attachments. It's so easy to take along when we travel. It also has a warranty and a manual with it, the cleaning instruction and all the stuffs along with it. The first product is definitely a win-win. Let me try this product and let you know the review later. By the way, the cost of this turbo dryer is, oh my gosh, it's $85. It's already more than our box. The next product will be Skin & Co. Truffle Therapy Aqua Illuminating Refreshing Mist. Okay, let me get into the description. Truffle Therapy Radiant Dew is hydrating mist formulated to soothe, protect and illuminate the skin. Okay, blah blah blah. And yeah, it's enriched with an antioxidant. This refreshing mist encourages the radiant complexion while rebalancing skin's pH level, tightening pores and setting makeup. This is what I was expecting. Yeah, this is a setting spray. This also acts as a setting spray which helps to balance our pH level and tightening the pores, so and so. I think I'm so excited to try this too. Yeah, it is a Radiant Dewy setting spray. Let me try this. Actually, the spritz is kind of, it's not like even. But let me see how does it work. Yeah, it's nice. It's kind of hydrating, and I can see a very little shimmer in it. Yeah, that's why they have mentioned a Radiant Dewy spray. I think I'm gonna love this. By the way, it smells so refreshing. Nice. How much does it cost? Yeah, it is $35 worth. Awesome. And the next product will be, yeah, I'm already loving this. I'm gonna show you. Dr. Brand Clean Biotic pH Balanced Yogurt Cleanser. You must have known Dr. Brand is one of the high-end skincare brand. Yeah, it's powered by Botanic Balancing Complex with prebiotic multitasking cleansing yogurt, melts away grime, makeup and excess oil. It's a nice cleanser which can be used to remove our makeup. And of course Dr. Brand always does the great job with skincare line. This will be the nice product too. Let me try and let you know the review in the next video. Okay, the value of this product is $35. Awesome. And the next product, again it's a skincare, and I love this brand too. Yeah, it is Pharmacy Honeymoon Glow AHA Resurfacing Night Serum with hydrating honey and gentle flower acids. Wow guys, this is exclusively made for Boxycharm. This is how the bottle looks. So, how to use this? Apply a generous layer to clean skin at night, avoiding eyes and lips. Use 2 to 3 times a week. May build up to more frequent use. Slightly tingling may be experienced. Okay, so I think I can use this 2 to 3 times a week, and gradually I can increase the usage. And yeah, I always love the serums. You know, working with a lot of makeups, we need to take care of our skin. So I think this helps. And the value of this product is $58. No wonder Pharmacy is such a brand. Every penny will be worth. Let me get into the next product. Wow, this is a hair product. It is Living Proof Full Dry Volume Blast. I love volumizing product. My hair is kind of flat. It doesn't have any texture, so I love using the products that adds that volume to my hair. Okay, let me show you. It's kind of like dry shampoo, I guess. Okay, I have to like just section the hair and spray from root to the ends. Give a little shake. Yeah, it's nice. By the way, it smells so awesome. Wow, it has the smell of like cucumber. Maybe I should check the ingredients. Wow. The value of this product is Living Proof Full Dry Volume Blast. It's $29. Okay, the next product will be, yes, it's makeup, and it is Dominic Cosmetics, you guys. Okay, it's Dominic Cosmetic Lemonade Lip Gloss. I'm in love with gloss these days. Okay, this shade is Peach Tea. The She Gloss is long lasting and flexible, so you can wear it alone or layer over your favorite lipstick. Okay, let me try this now. I think, yeah, my lipstick is already kind of peachy tone, so I guess this should work. Wow, wow, this smells so awesome. I feel like eating. And the value of this product is $17. Nice. Let me move on to the next product. And the next product will be one more makeup. Oh, it is Tarte. What is this actually? Good Vibes Mascara. Treat your lashes to ultimate curling, lengthening and volumizing fun with your new Tarte Good Vibes Mascara. This all-in-one lash curler tool. Oh, I think it has lash curler in it. Flip down to curl. It's something new. Okay. Wow. This is cool. Wow, this is something cool. It has a lash curler in it. Okay, maybe I should try. Oops. But it's teeny tiny. Not bad. Oops. Not bad, guys. Wow. It actually does the job. But it's kind of hard to spot the exact place. Oops. I'm stuck. It's cool, but you know what? I feel like I might hurt my, or I might poke my eye. It is cool, but I'm not sure if this works. Yeah, because it's too tiny and I can't fit my lashes in there, even if I'm too scared to put my lashes in there. Okay, let me get into the wand. Actually, the wand is kind of, I think it does the lengthening job better. I'll just give a little coat. I already have a mascara, but still no harm adding one more coat. Oops, here. Yeah, it's not clumpy. It adds lengthening to the lashes. It's nice. Anyways, I'll try this alone and I'll let you know. Okay, the value of this product is $25. Okay, not bad. So the next product will be No Problem Prime Essence Calendula Officinalis Flower Extract. It is from the brand Touch and Soul. Yeah, Touch and Soul is one of the biggest Korean brand, and I have tried a similar primer from this same brand, but I'm not sure if this is same. Wow, can you hear the sound? It's so watery. Let me try this. Oh my gosh, it's so runny. Interesting. I always love the water-based product. Maybe this works for me. What does this product do? It actually helps to tighten the pores and keeps your skin silky smooth. Nice. And it smells something weird. And the value of this product will be $23. Awesome. And the next product is something more exciting. Yes, it is Tarte High Performance Naturals Tartiest Pro Glow 3 Cheek Palette. Okay, let me open this for you. Wow. It has 2 blushes, 2 highlighters and 2 bronzers. Yeah, I'll swatch it for you. Hope you can see. Yeah, it's nice. It's beautiful. I think this goes more with the lighter shade. I don't think this works for me, but still no harm trying. And the bronzer. It's rich in pigment. Wow. Wow, I love this shimmery bronzer. It's nice. It's cool. Maybe I should try in some other video. Yeah. I love these colors. It's nice and pigmented, and the value of this product is $45. Yes, it's kind of pricey. So this will be all today. they claim like the box has $250 value of products in it, but I guess we have exceeded in this box. Maybe I'll calculate and I'll show you. First product price, that is Tarte palette price, will be 45 plus Touch and Soul primer price 23 plus Dominic Cosmetic lip gloss 17 plus dryer 85 and yogurt cleanser, Dr. Brand yogurt cleanser 35 plus pharmacy serum 58 plus Live-In Proof volume blast 29 plus Trustic mascara 25 plus Skin & Co dewy mist 35. Guess what? It has the product worth of $352 and I have paid like not even full 50 bucks, 49.99 for this box, and I got $350 worth of products. It's amazing. And so far I'm so happy with this box, and each and every product is totally new to me and I'm so excited to try everything. Yeah, that'll be all for today. Hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, please make sure you give a thumbs up, and if you have any suggestions, please do comment below in the description box, and also please do share it with your friends. If you haven't subscribed, take a moment to subscribe. I'll see you on Tuesday with a brand new tutorial. Till then, bye. Have a great day, guys.